Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This one's going to be something I didn't actually have planned, but a good deal came up. So today, got my son helping. Hopefully we get this done quite quick. Ignore all this. This is the next video. We got ourselves a side exit exhaust. There it is. There is my exhaust. I picked this up yesterday. A guy had it on his van. He buys and sells vans and sells them for parts, and this was on it, and he said, "Do you want it?" Gave it to me at an extremely good price, and I couldn't say no. So it looks like it's a good quality one. There's no cracks in it, no. The only thing he did say, where is it? Is it on this bit, I think? He said it has a bit of a dent right there, but I can handle that. Absolutely brilliant quality. So what we're going to do to get the polish out, and my drill, and just polish up the tip a little bit, give it a bit of a clean. So that's your job, mate.
Yep.
And I'm going to start tackling getting the old exhaust off. Bit of a different video, didn't quite expect to be doing this one. I have done some stuff to the interior of the van. That's the next video, but this offer came and I obviously couldn't say no to it. So let's crack on with this. Right, so we're pretty much ready to go. Got everything ready, and all I really need is 13mm spanner, 13mm socket, and a ratchet if you've got a spare ratchet, and a long nose, because the bolts are quite long to get. This is where I'm taking it off from, on underneath the van. We've got some aluminium paste cleaner polish stuff, some foam, I don't know what that is, attachment for a drill, make life a little bit easier, jack stand and a jack, so obviously you can get access underneath your van. But that is pretty much everything you're going to need. So I'm going to set him up with doing the polishing. I'm going to start taking this lot apart so that I don't even know how well you can see this, but take this lot apart so I can get it on underneath the van. Should be quite easy, it's only a small bit. So let's get set up. Look at the difference. Toby's done a very good job. Done all the way around as well. Done a very good job. Well done, mate. Right. Bolly's been doing that. I got the cat off and jack the van up on an axle stand. Now I need to remove them bolts there for that cap, and then all the exhaust the whole way down. That's a hell of a lot of exhaust. That's now our job, getting that off. So we'll set you up somewhere and get this removed. Right, we got all the bolts out. That one I have actually already taken out. It's not missing, it's there. And then I've got this one here. That one's out. And there's one more up by the top there. And there's the last one out for this piece. Get that gasket out.
What's that?
There you go. That's now disconnected. So now all we've got to do. Sorry, Tobe.
You take these rubber bits out. It collapses on all the
It doesn't
ones.
collapse. That bit there comes off.
Yeah.
And there's another couple more up there somewhere. And then the whole exhaust will fall down. So let's start doing that. Rubber hangers suck to get off. Oh, by the way, I was quite lucky there with the bolts. Usually exhaust bolts are an absolute pig to get out, because obviously they get hot, cold, hot, cold. But I was here not that long ago getting that off. So luckily for me, that was an easy job to do, but sometimes they're an absolute nightmare to get off. Anyway, let's get these rubber hangers off. Is that one off? There's one.
Oh.
Leave that one to the end.
Yeah, that's gonna be a tricky one.
No, because that one I can get out.
It's underneath that.
And it can hold the whole exhaust up then. So there's one. That one's snapped off.
Oh, that's not good.
Little bit of a tip, if you've got a spare jack or axle stand, use it to hold your exhaust up. Don't need to take any weight, it's just to help it stop falling on you. There was a hanger just down there. There's a hanger right behind the box. There's one right there in the middle. And then there's the ones that are just up there by the cat. And I think that's it.
That fell. Oh. Where can you get that?
There we go.
Wow, that was easy.
That is that exhaust taken out. Like I said, I did put this in not too long ago. Right, we're just going to have a quick breather and a drink, and we'll be straight back with you in a moment. Well, as you've seen, that's off. That's now to go on. We've half connected this. We've left it so it can still turn and whatnot if it needs to. We're going to connect this back up to where it needs to be, put the hangers back on. Well, and then that's it actually. Decided what will probably be a better idea. Put the hangers on first. So we've got this hanger which goes up there, and you got that hanger which goes round about there, and then get the front end done. So let's get these hangers lined up. Do I hold that?
Yeah.
Little top tip when putting hangers on, spray a bit of WD-40 all over it, makes it go in a lot easier. This actually went really easy. And there we go, all fitted. That's how it comes out at the end, which is nice and polished. Thank you very much. All the hangers are all back on. Hang on. The hangers are back on. Looking all nice. Bolts are all tight. So let's see what it sounds like. Everything's all back on the ground. Very happy with that. So yeah, managed to get a nice side exit, get rid of all of that. So I'm probably going to keep that for when it's MOT time, so that if this one does cause too much crap for the emissions, I've still got the right one. And anyway, that's not important, but just a cheeky little video. Thought why not? Managed to pick this one up nice and cheap, why not make a video out of it? Anyway, we're off now. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the video, please give it a great big thumbs up. If you've not already subscribed, go hit that subscribe button and take it easy.